Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Me at the shop. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome, guys. As I can see, you know, from the title, you know, the thing goes. I'm edit out, you know. We have no other than Satnam is here. You know, the thing goes already, guys. You know.
Netball tournament for the girls coming soon.
Yeah, guys, and I know I told you about the passion for music, you know, and we're heading towards Treasure Beach today. You know, we're gonna do a couple of days down in Treasure Beach. You know, things goes and record some music. You know, I haven't done no music from 2050, you know, because of circumstances, you know. I went through a breakdown with Lashings as well too. So now I'm really trying to get back into it, you know, while I can, you know, while we're here. Might as well, you know, just do what I can do, because you know the thing goes, once we have life, let's make use of it. You know, say no, music is a thing that's always a part of me. As you can hear from my intro, you know, that is me singing my song, you know, that's me. So we used to do music and I kind of put it on pause from them time. So you know, Satnam is also a producer as well too. He's a producer from Canada. You know, he's also now a producer here in Jamaica. So yeah. So he's got his studio as well too down by Treasure Beach, you know. Studio South Coast, you know, that's good labor, you know, good quality. So you're gonna see, you know, stay tuned for music videos. Same way, I'm gonna do everything, because I was doubting myself, so I couldn't do the charity work and music at the same time, but I make reservation, you know, I make time for adjust, right? So Satnam, I'm gonna tell them, so I'm ready for the music. I'm ready.
Anxious. He has to get in the studio now, so we're going straight from Trenchtown to Treasure Beach Studio.
Yes.
Studio South. Everything ready, you know.
Studio South Coast. I don't know, Studio South Coast.
Treasure Beach.
Yes, guys. Yes. So that's where we're gonna be heading today. You know what I'm saying? Music is always in me, and I think it's a time. The Almighty said, "Keynote, it is time." So guys, so we're gonna hit the road, make 1 and 2 stops, and you know where it goes. You know? Boom. Big up, you know. Yeah? Oh, boom there. Boom. Little bit, you know. You know the thing goes. Yeah? Alright guys, so stop off here to link up the original sound system, sound man here in Trenchtown to get some vinyl record for Satnam. You know, can I tell them about the vinyl Sunday?
So anyone that has vinyls, we need all the vinyl you guys have, alright?
Yes, guys, you know Satnam is going to be having on vinyl Sunday, you know, down by Treasure Beach as well too. So we're looking the records, them old school thing. We have to come lick man like lollipop. Bless you, my generous. Cool man, manners. Cool, bless it. Original man there. See it there.
My kind of vibe.
Lollipop. See it man.
Watch and learn. You don't know art.
Yeah.
Play. Learn something, play.
See the man here.
Good people. Learn. My name is Satnam.
So Satnam, this is the original sound here in Trenchtown, Big Link. If you're keeping an event and you're not booking Big Link, it's not gonna. Okay, it's the box all about original days.
Yes.
Original. Look at your feet.
You know what? I need the item up there, man. You don't come to Treasure Beach?
Treasure Beach, no.
I have a sound system where a brethren of mine give me like he was storing it in Kingston and getting all this money, but look like them some people come and take out the good things.
Okay.
But we still have 4 bass spin, 2 mid-range and 2 tweeter.
Okay.
He gave me a mixer. And I tried plugging him in, but like enough pop, have a Crest amp.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I have a Crest here, but this is the big sound. This is the small sound. Yeah, I have a Crest here.
Right, so I have 2 amps up there, but the thing is, I need a man like behind him to come.
Yeah, man.
I'll pay you.
Yeah, man.
You come up, you make a drive up there, check me at my studio, right? And then I'll pay the man and get my sound up and running because we're trying to do we're gonna start Vinyl Sunday up in Treasure Beach. We want to make Treasure Beach like a place where live music. And none of this chop. Real music where you can learn from, you know? The original music where we grew up on, some good music. So I'm a musician. I'm a sound engineer by trade. Studio South Coast.
Studio South Coast.
We're up in Treasure Beach, you know? So I mean, you guys let me know. I mean, check. You know, you have the link.
Yeah, free even this week.
This week, let's make it happen.
Monday.
Come up there. Bring your tools. Maybe some cables as well, because all I have is speakers, like the Crest, a couple of amps, and I have the mixer. But I know there's some good stuff in there. Some of the speakers, when I lift up the bass, they look like no. No, 2 of them look like they're empty.
Okay.
Got 2 of them are light, so I don't know. It's not my thing. You know, studio is my thing. Sound system is. I leave that to the sound man. You know? And everybody should eat food, man. We're all here to eat. Rub shoulders together and eat food together.
Yeah, man, we help you.
Yes, bro. And get me up and running. You know.
That is it.
You may even have this Mighty Love.
Mighty Love.
No, okay, all right. There's a man from Treasure Beach. The sound was built in Treasure Beach. The Brethren took it all over the.
Some selections, you know.
Yeah.
But them just like white. Not too long years them not touching. It's everything in the R&B, everything in there.
Computer pop.
Yeah. Tip off everything.
Yeah. Reggae if you want to really reggae, alright. Yeah.
Come on, chook.
That's bro. Yeah.
Remix as well.
Alright. So I have new sleeves. I can show them all in a brand new sleeve. I can clean it and show them all in a brand new sleeve.
Jimmy Riley. Dennis Brown. Everything there, nitty gritty.
Oh God.
Everything there.
Oh God, he's a nitty gritty. He's a nitty gritty man. Bellis, can't stop a man. Yeah? Stan and Robbie.
They were fabulous. Everything there.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to clean them up.
Cool. And the next box, which one? Are you original juggling that?
Trying to this one, this next box.
Yeah. That's how when they're gonna turn the dance upside and down.
All these music playing.
Yeah.
Because remember, dance start from early.
Yeah. Yeah, man. To time.
All of that is Stone, Nicky, Fearless, all of that.
Yes, brother. So yeah, this is something I'm interested in. What can we work out, you know?
Yeah, straight from my heart.
Yes, brother.
You see, from 1994, you see Kino. You see, I don't remember, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember when we usually use a phone box?
Phone box.
First street corner.
Yeah.
I use it, but me, I thought it was an idol. As I look at boy, small like for my son.
Yeah.
And it's like me there and I wait for about 15 to 20 to half an hour. And Kino dead. And I go and come so boom, because one time I say if you dip on the car.
Yeah, the telephone box.
Realize. Kino comes and look. And say Lani, because Lani pop them car. What that? You see when Kino comes and take out the thing out of the
card.
I say sorry. And I did them say potential. Yes. You understand?
Now from
that day,
true.
potential.
From I met Kino maybe 4 years ago.
True, man, that's a long time.
For real.
Yeah.
From when we met, That's it.
Yeah, connection is just there, man.
Yeah, we cannot, we can't. Real, you know, real individual that he won my heart, mine and my wife, man. We love him like cook.
True.
We love him, he knows that.
Yes, true, man.
I got so much time for him. Anytime you can call me, you know, I'll get out my bed and I'll run to this man because I'm a brother, you know.
True. Yeah, man.
Guy that's doing what has to be done. You get me? Like, there's a lot of times where I'm not even gonna name the artist then. Big artist. Listen to this, brother. Big artist. Big, massive artist where you think Rasta, rub me, you know. I gave him money to put the computers in the schools. Big artist. You won't believe if I take me now say no.
But you're not saying no, yeah.
You said what? I said yeah. Big artist take money from my hands up at Pegasus Hotel, and I said, brother, please, Rasta, buy 2 laptops for the weekend. He didn't rob me.
He robbed the youths.
True. I will not forget that anyhow. Because I don't really hear no music from you anyway, but anyhow, that's besides the point. True. Yes, brother. So, you know,
True.
You know, I do the good works.
Well, man, blessed love, man, everything.
And come back bird.
Right.
Yeah. And them still go out there.
Yes.
I do a lot.
Yes.
You see, just like when I do it for here too.
Yes.
Always respect.
Yes, brother. Yeah, man. No, definitely. Where respect is due, you have to respect, you know? Yes, brother.
It's really
okay, so check this out. Do I don't have any vinyl player? You know when there's any vinyl player?
No,
eh? Yeah, scarce. I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah, that's not tell them.
I'm gonna go
because I have told you about them overseas. I'm not bring them down because I'm say, when I check the amount of speakers, when we send them and the amount of things and things, alright. We'll have to use them right now.
Next time. Next time.
Yes, give me a second, alright?
Yeah. Bring them to me, lollipop. Yeah, man.
Jonah, what I want.
Please. Classic them. No, what? Come.
You know, so never mother. Where linked up on the show. And Tony. Yeah, man. When they say Dan and Tony.
Oh, Dan and Tony, yeah. Okay. Dan and Tony. You never know, man. Them always them that doing it to the program.
I remember we were trying link up Keynote Sunday. And then we tell her
on
Monday.
Yeah.
Be alright, huh?
Yeah, man. Safe travel, man.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. General.
Love and respect.
Blessed love, yeah? Yeah, man.
Alright, brother.
Alright, guys. So we just got the records them and things. So well, them put on my seatbelt. Sorry. You know, sometimes it does take a little time. Yes. So we're gonna head to Ibo Spice, you know, to get something quickly to eat, and then head out. We're gonna stop one more time at Mega Mart or PriceSmart. One of them we're gonna stop at in Portmore, and then from there straight to Treasure Beach. So you know, if we 1 and 2 stops, you know, that's the thing when you're going on a trip, road trip, you always have to make 1 and 2 stops along the way. So yes, guys, so stay tuned. Now remember, please, if you reach this far and you haven't liked the video, please like the video, you know, please, I'm begging you, give the video a like, you know. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, sorry about that, my battery just died. Sorry, my battery just died. So yes, guys, remember, please, if you're watching now, just put the thumbs up. Put the thumbs up. You know, if you reach this far, you know, and you haven't put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up. Thank you so much, you know. So as I say, don't feel guilty if you haven't put the thumbs up, if you forget to put the thumbs up, you know. We understand. Sometimes we do forget stuff and forget to do things. So that's just one of them, you know. Just put the thumbs up and I thank you so much. So wait, is the thumbs up going up? It is. Yeah, man. So guys, so we're here. You know, we're gonna turn on Charles Street to go on Orange Street to see Ibo to get one of those burgers, you know, and then we head out to Portmore, and then we head out to Senti, you know, Treasure Beach. So stay tuned. Sandra.
The cooler. Are you not?
Sandra. So guys, here so we are Ibo Spice, but the food is nice. Everything's alright. Wow, wow. Set up. Changes. Empress. And I sat there?
Toilet. The toilet.
Bathroom.
Yeah. Make sure you use the bathroom for me, please. Yeah, well, she's gonna carry.
Empress is gonna carry.
One a burger then to my general, please.
This is nice.
Alright?
It's nice, man. Nice and space.
Yeah.
Proper. Yeah?
Oh.
Where's it not? You have more room now. You have more room. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. More organized. Nice.
I'm supposed to run at the back. I'm probably not. Raggedy.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Raggedy. Jeez, the porter. What eye body? In the right there, sir? In the right here. Aibo. Aibo. Come here, sir. No. Ima there, sir, Raggy. Oh, see me. Aibo. You say my
I.
You know? Yeah, say my tell us how the one link. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got my burger. You know, so gonna hit the road now. So got what I came for. So we're gonna head to Portmore now.
I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah, so
We're gonna go.
So guys, so we're in PriceSmart. Wow. PriceSmart.
I want you all bend cook. I want straight one. Jody, you put her and put her over there.
This PriceSmart import mode is huge. Girl, you're all I need. Always miss you.
Alright, what else?
More.
Yeah. Ketchup.
Bounty. Everything I want to.
Well, if you don't want to put a battery in, you can see if it'll put the stars that you're turning on to do. If you don't want to put a battery in,
Not just. Someone, you know we have some stuff. What did we take it back? That GoPro, his case is broken. I got a case up. I bought one thing with one box.
Okay.
But I think it's the case.
Yeah.
I have a small.
PriceSmart selling stuff for Christmas already.
Yeah.
They're seeing Christmas trees and everything. You have to get it from now before you don't get any. Imagine that. PriceSmart selling Christmas stuff already. So Christmas tree, you know that. Christmas tree, pepper lights, everything for Christmas is for sale already in PriceSmart. PriceSmart with the shop smarter. Alright guys, so we're heading out now. Just leave PriceSmart, so you know we're on the journey now to Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Here I come. Treasure Beach. Wow. So guys, I will be there. Guys, so we're in St. Elizabeth, you know, on the side going to Treasure Beach. You know, so we're just going through the town now. You know, so this is the town here. This is the town we are going through here. You know the thing. Just like a mini town, you know. Mini town. Mini. Junction. So this is called Junction. Town is lively but not as busy and jam-packed as, you know, most town is. So guess you can get away with less hustle and bustle. So yeah, so we're on the journey back on these back roads, these country slip roads. So guys, I'm glad you're here, you know, on the journey with me. So Junction, you are leaving Junction, so just leave Junction. Right, so how much of you know knows about Junction? You can let me know. Tell me what you know about Junction. So you know, I'm a town man. I don't know anything about Junction, so I never got the time to research or check anything out. I'm just driving through, you know the thing. I'm just driving through, guys. So I hope you enjoy this journey here, heading into Treasure Beach. So if you've never been to Treasure Beach, so I'm taking you with me to Treasure Beach, not physically but by televisionally. You know what I mean? Televisionally. I turn L.A. Lewis. Great stuff, great words. Yes, so get the feelings. So stick and stay, guys. Watch what I go on. So we'll make a one step. Hey, son, I'm keeping up.
So you have his number?
Oh, avocado. Hello.
You have phone? Yeah, you have his number?
No.
Oh.
Hey. Hello.
Hi,
oh yeah.
darling. How are you doing?
I'm
See how
good.
nice our country people are?
Yeah, very nice.
In town. Look at this. You have a nice phone for me, and she even tell me that they're right. Look at that.
The right thing.
Alright.
Cause I got avocado on my mind as well.
Yeah.
That was our taking.
They're taking.
Yeah,
So which area this we're in?
This is Top Hill.
Top Hill. Hello, my name is Kino.
My name is Narvina.
Narvina. Oh,
Lovely name.
Narvina.
$1,000.
Narvina. They ready?
No.
Soon.
Thank you.
You have a good day, right, my dear?
Same to you, darling.
Why? You have anything ready now?
Wait.
Eh?
Eh?
Which one? This ready now? Yeah, I want to bring it in my room.
Yeah. How much is that?
How much is that?
That's it, you can go with it.
Thank you so much. Navina, thank you so much, Navina.
Alright, take care.
So tell them where to find you.
I'm right here.
Tell them where to write you.
Top Hill.
Top Hill.
Yeah, Gary Container in Top Hill.
Yeah. So guys, so this is Gary Container in Top Hill. So if you're passing by, so it's Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube, yeah?
Okay, darling.
So you can check it out. Right now, Navina?
Alright, take care, darling.
Alright then. So thank you. I got avocado. It's the first gift I get as I reach here in Treasure Beach. Alright. So let's hit the road now. Ooh. So back on the track. Top Hill. So we're in Top Hill, guys. You know Top Hill. So that means you're coming off the bottom hill, or the end hill, or the downhill. So now we're on the top hill. Guys, you can see what Beryl did to that place. You know, you can see the damage that Beryl done to that place right there. House top gone. You know, it's gone. The tree fall down on the house as well. You know, so that's the first scene. So these ones over here is okay. I think. Alright guys, so this is where I'll be staying at Marblue. Yeah, so this is where I'll be staying, guys, right?
There's your room right there overlooking the ocean.
Overlooking the ocean.
Yeah, right there.
Wow. And this is, and it's right next to Lashings Beach Club, right?
You don't walk out here. You go from inside. You can go to the
Lashings.
We're gonna do that. Let's put your stuff up. So I'm gonna show you. I'll show you.
Close.
This is all coming in. This.
Yeah, man. Next bag.
Bring the rest up in this.
Yeah. Hello.
Andrea.
Hi, my name is Andrea Kino.
Yes.
Andrea, nice to meet
Nice meeting you, Andrea. You're the founder? The owner, right?
Yeah, well, my husband was actually, but
This is Mousy.
he's not with us anymore.
Oh,
but,
my condolences.
thank you very much.
My condolences. And this is
Mousy.
Mousy. Hello, Mousy.
Is there anything light I can carry up?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. You remember that stand? It's coming from far. Yes, guys. So this is where I'll be staying. You know, so grab some stuff out. And let me come back. Close this door. Alright. So you know the thing of Marblue. You know, I give you a full tour of it. Now just bringing in luggage. My friend here. Got a pool as well. Okay. Andrea. Okay. And look. So welcome. Wow. Lovely. Ta-da.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Have to drive some traffic to this beautiful lady's villa.
Yeah.
It's available.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely.
That's your view.
Yeah.
Oh, and you also have a AC.
We
Yes.
have AC here. There's AC and here's a
That's your
fan.
view.
Wow, look at the view.
Don't look to the right. It's not ready yet.
Oh, it's not ready yet.
Yeah,
Wow.
the problem now with Beryl.
We also have a
You
pool.
have this beautiful view.
Yes, so lovely. I know, and this is so lovely. You know, I'll be falling asleep right here. You know, getting to that view. I'm telling you, I love this. I love this. You also have a website? You have a website for this?
No, not yet.
Not yet. But soon.
Facebook page?
Facebook page.
Yeah, my personal one.
So
Okay.
we want something so we can.
So what's the contact number for here?
The telephone number?
Yeah,
Also,
telephone.
I'm already, and then it's 876
Yeah,
848
yeah.
0001.
Okay. So,
Andrea.
yes, guys, and it's Andrea.
And
I'm sorry.
actually the place called Petit Blue by Andrea.
Pretty blue?
Yeah.
You're pretty blue, so that means the place is well.
Petit Blue, like the small
Petite.
blue.
Oh, petite.
Oh,
blue.
petite.
Yeah, petite.
Petite, little blue,
Yes.
little
Okay.
blue by Andrea.
Oh,
Because
petite.
it's just one room.
Yeah, the fatigue, little blue, you know, and it's pretty blue, you know.
Thank you.
The accent, which country? German. Hey, Germany. Closer, you know, football, and anything else.
FC Cologne.
Hey, Cologne, guys, I really love this place. It's so comfortable. The view alone is breathtaking. You know, and it's right here on Treasure Beach, and you got the beach there in front of us. Look at that. You know, so I'm going to give you guys a full view, you know, of everything. You got the pool there as well too. You can go have a pool, you know, and this is the room as well too. So here's my room. You know, I got an AC, you know, it goes already. So surviving, and this is the bathroom as well too. So nice, comfortable, you know. If you're on a budget, this will be the ideal spot for you, you know. So this will be my comforter. You know, you got a fridge as well too. Your AC. You know, but you know, we don't watch TV anyway, so there's no TV. So we got like a fridge there and everything. You know, so nice, comfortable one. I like it, and you got your closet as well. Yeah, I like it. So you can come here and have your tea.
Yep.
Right there. I can come and have the view.
Yeah, you can also walk through. There's a restaurant next door, so we're gonna go there now. So if you wanna-
The Lashings Hotel next door.
Lashings.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
where you can
Yeah.
get the best pizza in town.
Okay.
Nice vegetarian pizza.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Crust and
Shrimp as
everything.
well.
Yeah, so this is.
So let's head down.
All right.
How you doing? And you got your key.
Keys on the table.
Yeah. Right here. All right.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good.
And you got mousy for security.
Oh yeah. Security guard is mousy.
Mousy.
You know you can.
If you want to go to the pool in the morning when I'm up or in the night or whatever, I leave this door open
Yeah.
so you can go.
Straight to the pool. So this is the entrance to the pool, right?
No, so you can go to the pool. The yellow towel on your bed is the
Okay,
towel.
pool towel.
At
Yes,
any time.
Andrea, thank you. So this is the pool, guys. Let's take a look
That's
at the pool.
Yeah.
You know, and this is all for to relax as well.
You for to relax, chill,
Wow.
enjoy yourself.
Look at this, guys.
And then you can go here down. I have some crooked steps towards the beach,
Okay, right there.
like right there. They're working, but like I said, next door you have
Yeah.
beautiful access.
Yeah, yes.
Cool.
Well, this is good here, man. This is good, guys. As I say,
Yeah.
this is good when if you come to Treasure Beach and you're on a budget, you know, you really want to come find somewhere to chill, you know, it's nice. So this is the working also out there. There's a crook step there, you know, and you're looking on the beach right over there. And you next door you have Lashings Club, right next door there. You know, so lovely as well. Nice. Nice. We have a pool here, you know, Mr. Man, so it's a lot of swimming for me. So this is what you're looking at, you know. So that's my room at the top right there, you know. So the contact number is there, guys, you know. Feel free, you know. I recommend this place, you know, so to give thanks, you know. I thank her so much for welcoming, you know, and it's lovely, you know. She's from Germany, so she's German, you know. Nice, 3 yard, comfortable. So imagine I'm up there, yeah. So
Get changed and I'll see you next. We'll see you next.
We're just close the door. Okay. Coming.
all right then, Andrea.
See you
Yeah,
soon.
see you soon. Yes, relaxing. You got Lashings next door.
Yeah. So Lashings, let's clear that up as well. Lashings may sound offensive. However, I know the owner and there's no way that he's offensive. His name is David Phoebe. Lashings was a cricket team.
Yeah.
You know Lashings,
Wait,
you know how
yeah,
we say in
yeah.
England, I'll give you a lashing.
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful Jamaican people.
Yeah.
He's a good friend of mine and he's a very nice individual and that's what it's called. Lashings. I didn't
Lashings.
understand it first until I was explained. So
Okay.
it's a cricket team, a rugby team, and it was very famous in England.
Yeah, yeah.
So he opened up the same thing in England. So and then he also had a place in Antigua, which was Lashings.
Okay.
So some people don't get it.
Yes,
But I'm
yes.
letting you know, bro.
Yeah, so with the lashing now, we're just going for the ball.
For the ball, yes.
Yeah,
Cricket, yeah.
it's going all out. Lash at everything. You're lashing at everything. Just relax.
So this, hi,
Yeah. This is nice.
That's our chef.
Oh, the chef can run here. So this is Lashing Beach Club next door, which is also,
You don't have to go out there. You can just walk through that.
yeah.
You get a pool here as well if you want to.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Oh, so you're welcome to this as well? Oh, yeah.
Because we know the owner. We're VIP members.
Oh.
That's the owner. Right, let's try and greet you.
Wow, Lashings is also beautiful. Oh, damn.
That's the owner.
Yeah. Lashings is beautiful, isn't it? Yeah.
This is where we hang out a lot, bro.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Alright.
How's it?
All right.
Oh, I'll get the glasses.
Kilo, David.
David.
Kilo.
What's up? Alright.
What's up, man?
He's a very good friend of mine. And he's also got a charity that we run in Trenchtown. For years, wonderful.
Yeah. I heard so much about you, man. He keep talking about you. You know,
man.
how good man you are, man. Trust me. I like your place. Very beautiful as well.
It's coming on.
It's coming on. It's nice.
Alex, bring that back now. I tell Satnam how bad you've been.
Uncle Satnam is here.
You're here, Uncle Santa. Watch when him come in.
I'm going to get the screwdriver. The glasses.
Yeah, grab the glass.
Wow.
Can your eyesight see those glasses as well? Because I.
Oh, I got glasses for
Right, so let me take you. So this is Lashing, you know, Treasure Beach. This is the club right next door, you know, so you can come here, relax, eat as well too. Yeah, so it also have a pool, you know, this got this garden here. So nice. So this is where I'll be relaxing, you know, spending most of my time while I'm here, you know. Get the music, tune in, get everything synced in, you know, and just get along with everyone and bringing you this wonderful content here, you know. So let me show you the pool. Let me show you the pool, guys. So you're entitled as well to say, you know, it's the same. You can also come over here, you know, once you're there, come over and you can relax, enjoy the pool, you know. You can also have a sitting here, right? I just like the nature look of this, you know, so nature, you know, so cool. You know, here's the pool right here. Here's the pool right here, guys. Wow. You can relax, you can sit by the pools as well too. Wow, you got your cabanas. So relaxing. You know, it is so relaxing, guys. Look, so relaxing. So relaxing. What a time to chill, right? So this is the meditation, you know, this is a vibration for me to get tuned into the music back, you know. This is the headspace that I would definitely need, you know, to attack back the music how I want it to, you know. So trust me guys, I'm gonna have some wonderful music coming in, you know. I'm gonna say a very conscious song I'm doing, you know, because obviously when I was used to do music, I used to into the dancehall genre and everything, but I think I'm gonna be mostly focusing on the reggae side of the music, you know, bring more the conscious side of the music, you know, bring out that side of me, you know, because that's what I've done, you know, mostly everything to do with consciousness. So I'll bring more conscious music and everything, you know, to you guys. I remember you can also check it out, you know, check me out, guys, check it out. And and guys, if you're interested in Lashings, there's a website, right?
Yeah, man.
What's it?
www.lashings.com.
Right, so one of these days, you know, we're gonna make you explain to them about the lashings, the cricket part of it.
Oh,
You
okay.
know? Yeah. You used to play cricket in your days?
Yeah, but I was rubbish.
Hey.
But I did run the best team in the world.
Okay. So you're a good coach.
No, I just owned it.
Yeah, just own it.
Good coaches.
Yes, guys. So we're gonna have some, you know, sit and chat and relax, you know, and show you what I go on here. So this is the kitchen over here. You know, we order your food. I just like the design of the place. So just tell me what you think. You know, if you like it. You know, as you can see, Beryl take a tool over there. There's no roof, nothing at all. Gone right off. You know.
I think they all need that.
Ice cream if you like
Alex?
ice cream.
Where's
You know?
the ball and chain?
So let me take you along the beach. Wow, so look at this. Imagine here in the night, relaxing outside here in the night, right here. I love the setup of Lashings. Yeah, just imagine here in the night, there's a hammock there also, you know, you have a hammock to relax, and the view is right there, and the beach is right here, you know. Wow, right here. Lovely guys. How lovely is this? Hey, you have a Rasta building over there, the red, green and gold color over there. You know, I'm going to check out that. I'm going to be checking out a lot of stuff while I'm here, you know. And you know, that's where I will be staying, right next door to Lashings. So you know, it's the same connection, so you will be welcome same way. So nice, I'm not even lying, I'm really enjoying myself already, and I haven't started yet. So it's more like to chill and relax now, you know. It's been a long day, I'm driving and everything. Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm making a surf.
You're making a surf?
I'm making a surfboard
Okay.
so I can surf on the sea.
High five. High five. High five.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
Send a link.
I got you
Yes.
a melon. They don't have the lime. I'll get them to stack up some lime. But I got you a lemon red strawberry. I mean the melon red strawberry.
Yeah, it's alright. Lovely. I like it.
Thank you very much.
I like it so much, man. Trust me. Now we it songs.
Oh, yeah,
This
hit
is where we're
songs.
making the it
And you're going to
song.
be comfortable.
Yeah.
You're going to be nice and comfortable. You can be creative. Go to the studio every day. You have Andrea right there. So,
Yeah.
and yeah.
Yeah, breakfast wise, I'm not the best of cooks. So, I mean, I can do.
I'm a vegetarian, you know.
Yeah, see, therefore, I.
So what we can do is we can go to Miss Dawn's and have some ackee,
Yeah.
some
Yeah.
porridge. I'll let her know. Trust me.
Yeah,
I'll
Yeah,
what
yeah.
I wanted to say is like if you want to have a tea or a coffee very early in the morning,
Yeah, yeah.
you go for breakfast. It's no problem.
Oh,
for me.
yeah, all right.
This I can do.
That
Okay.
I still appreciate it.
But I'm not in I'm not in
The chef cooking thing. I know, I understand.
Yeah.
Hey, but I really like your place, so it's really nice, you know, really nice. It's like a dream for anyone to having something exactly right here, you know. Ideal
You'll be
spot.
hearing that all night. You'll hear this
Yes,
music. Yeah?
ideal, you know. It's so ideal, quiet. You love it here, right? Just imagine. So nice at them, trust me.
So Andre is a very good friend of ours. A few of us, we hang out with each other. So Andre, I mean,
Since
David,
yes.
David's wife,
last
Lisa.
year.
Hang out with some,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
In Zanda.
So
Yes.
we met actually what was it? Last November?
Last November.
Yeah, like almost a year
About a
ago.
year, yeah. But it seems longer. It seems longer, Andre.
Yeah, like
seems long.
already like
Yeah.
a year.
Yeah, because we've been through so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time spent.
Yeah, quality of time. Yes.
Yeah, that's exactly it. You know, and you know to get on with people already because people person love, innit? It's just for the love. Yeah, it's just love.
Just
You
like
sure?
you, you know?
Yes.
You're people's people.
Yes. Yeah, love. This is nice.
See the little pirate
It's building a surf.
on the trigger.
Oh, a surfboard.
Yes, it's making a surfboard.
Oh.
David, I think I completed the surgery.
Did it? Wow. Well, I've got the other 45 now.
It's fixed.
They're good
You
glasses.
know, isn't there a similar screwdriver in that we can leave one with him? Is there one? There should be. I don't mind.
It's a whole set, and I don't know which one.
Do you know, honestly, I've got that somewhere, but I don't know where.
Oh.
This is for the studio. I had this for the
No,
studio.
those
Yeah.
are my glasses, screwdrivers.
Sweetie, this was.
Oh, the one is yours. Huh?
She has a problem now with things flying.
Oh, she.
Yeah.
I'd like to know what this looks like from the sea coming in.
Oh yeah.
At a lower level.
What? This?
Yeah, I'd like to look what this looks like
Okay.
coming in for the sea, because I want to see what work I've got to do on the front.
Alright, then here is it. You can see from this.
Get him in the instrument, you know?
Yes. For real. Big place, you know.
This is the live room, so.
Yeah.
See the drum set? Drum set. Drum set's gonna be there. The sound system I was talking about with your brethren to line up. Some equipment so they can come and figure it out and see what is what. Right?
Big place, you know.
This is just the live room, bro.
I'm telling you. I wait. This is where the magic's gonna happen. Shoe off. I should take my shoes off. You know what I mean?
Yes, brother.
Yes.
Studio South Coast.
Yes.
Up and running.
This is it, guys. Studio South Coast. This is where the magic will be happening.
You even have a little you have a little fan there for when
Yeah, to cool it down. Studio South Coast. Well equipped, ready.
Alright, you see. So when it gets hot,
Oh,
yes, bro.
you see. Proper.
So yeah.
Feel the energy.
What do you mean?
Feeling also of the bathroom as well. Oh, everything is here.
Yeah.
Trust, brother.
Yeah, bro.
See, guys. This is where you're gonna be hearing some keynote.
No, you haven't. See, I put up last year and his family here. And his family up here. Aye.
Studio South Coast.
We put Marcus Garvey and I used to last year up there. Bob up here. Nice one. Come together.
Man, it's very nice.
Thank you, brother.
I love the space, you know, the whole entire everything.
Yeah, we can chill.
Yeah,
Music. Can cook some food.
just kitchen as well, cook some food.
Everything.
Fridge, everything is here. Yeah. Studio South Coast. This is it, It's really looking good. Nah, like, I'm impressed, Sandra. I wait, you know, something have his eye weighing up. True.
So I think the only one of these
portraits that I wasn't here for was Peter, because he was the first that was done.
Peter.
Peter was the first. But I was here when he did all the other ones.
All of them.
Yeah.
Oh, he's good, man.
Hi. How are
Hello.
you?
I'm good, Sandra.
Hi.
I just sent you in something on my little thing, so you guys are free later. Stephen and some friends are playing around my tiny pool for my birthday. It's like a last minute surprise thing that I found out about.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Today.
Today? Oh,
Yes.
it's officially today.
It's officially today.
Nice. Happy
So they do a
birthday.
little music thing around my tiny pool.
Okay.
So if you guys want to roll through later. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, have a good evening.
Alright, you too. Graphic eyes. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.